A student at the Njoro campus died after her lover slit her throat. Now, the man accused of killing her is said to be a subordinate staff in the same university. He was lynched moments later, allegedly by angry students. The couple leaves behind a 3-month-old baby. The two were reportedly living in a rental apartment outside the campus.
Shocked neighbors at a rental block in Jokerio slum in Njoro town peep inside the house that has now turned into a protected crime scene. The evidence of a struggle clear in the manner in which the house was unkempt. It's the aftermath of an argument that has ended in the death of Sharon Bone, a fourth-year education student at the Egerton University. The young lady apparently had her throat slit open by her lover, 25-year-old Hilary Nandasaba, after an 8 p.m. tussle in their one-room house late Friday evening.
Mimi kama jirani nikakimbia huko kwenda kuokoa mtoto juu kijana alikuwa ameakisha moto kwa nyumba. Ndio mimi kwenda huko nikaambia wanifungulie, wakakataa. Nikaambia mama ya msichana anataka kuongea na msichana, kijana akanikataza. Akaniambia hakuna mahali huyu msichana haongeleshi wazazi wake leo.
But the man would not leave the scene scot-free after cries from the student attracted neighbors who lynched him just a few minutes after the body of his lifeless spouse was discovered. The reason behind the fight remains unknown, as the deceased couple now leaves behind a 3-month-old infant, a baby who witnessed the death of his mother at the hands of his father.
Ni uchungu, nahisi uchungu sana kupoteza kazini yangu. She was like a sister to me. We used to play together.
The bodies of the two have been taken to the Egerton University morgue as the infant is left in the care of its grandparents. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.